everyone, Melanie here. Welcome back to my channel. So over the weekend we went over to New Orleans to go see the Tool concert, and before that I went by Louis Vuitton and dropped off my clochette to my new Alma BB to have it hot stamped, and it just arrived today, so I have a quick little unboxing to do for you. Okay, here we go. So they did overnight it for me, and it actually took an extra day because UPS was a little slow. But it came in this envelope, and it did come a little busted up, but luckily everything inside was still intact. So that's how it came in this envelope. And I thought it was really nice. It came with a little bag, and then there's little perfume samples in here, I believe. I thought that was a nice touch. 2 little samples, perfume samples. It's over there. And they did put it in its own new little box. Go ahead and get that off. A little drawer pull. And it comes with its own little dust bag. Okay, here we go. There we go. It looks so good. Let's see if we can focus in on it a little bit. And it looks great. Okay, so here it is attached to my bag. And I did do an unboxing of this Alma BB recently, and I will put the link to that down in the description below if you would like to check that out. And also stay tuned because I do have a Karigami set that I will be unboxing soon when that comes in, so stick around. And thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.